MakeFashion is an internationally acclaimed leader of wearable technology innovation, education, and evangelism. They are most celebrated for their awe-inspiring runway shows kicking off annually in Calgary, Alberta. This year, MakeFashion is collaborating with Beakerhead, a local festival that also celebrates the intersection of design, science, and creativity. While MakeFashion collaborates with a number of designers around the world, some of the most senior and accomplished designers have grown up with the organization. Here are 3 Calgary designers to watch for in 2018. Maria Ordaz Pinto debuted her first fashion technology piece in 2014 with her Starry Night dress. Since then, she has participated every year with fashion-forward runway pieces. Her projects strike a perfect balance between fantasy and high fashion couture. This year, Maria has teased fans with a unicorn-themed dress. Teddy Syed is a core member of the MakeFashion team and has collaborated with several teams on MakeFashion runway pieces.
So over the course of that day, basically, we built 2 fully robotic wings that bloomed. And it was basically the most epic experience of my life thus far.
This year, he joins the Electric Vibe team for a vintage-inspired garment that promises to explore the evolution of music. We can't wait to see how this garment incorporates sound and interactivity on the runway. Angel Awachan is an Aboriginal artist and designer. She first joined MakeFashion as a designer in 2017, making an incredible debut with her Indie City dress that won the Audience Choice Award as a crowd favorite. This year, she proposes to evolve her matriarch-themed dress, incorporating proximity sensors and beaded embroidery. The 2018 MakeFashion Gala will be in Calgary in September. If you can't make it to the event, follow MakeFashion and my channel for coverage of this high-tech fashion spectacle.